Construction work has begun on Norwich Castle, Royal Palace Reborn, a £13.5 million project. With major support from the National Lottery Heritage Fund, it is one of the largest projects of its kind currently underway in the UK. The Normans built Norwich Castle's mighty stone keep 900 years ago, not as a defensive structure, but as a royal palace, fit for a conquering king. This project will recreate the keep's original Norman layout by reinstating its medieval floors and rooms, including the Great Hall, kitchen, chapel and King's Chamber. Specially commissioned furniture and furnishings based on historical research will convey the colour and grandeur of these recreated spaces. Visitors will enjoy an exciting and immersive experience, allowing them to appreciate the castle as the royal palace it once was. The installation of a new lift will, for the first time in the keep's 900-year history, make all 5 levels accessible to everyone, from basement to battlements. While a new entrance, shop, restaurant and toilets will provide visitor facilities fit for the 21st century. A spectacular new gallery of the medieval period, developed in partnership with the British Museum, will showcase over 1,000 medieval treasures, revealing the stories of people who lived through 5 fascinating centuries of change and turmoil. A major programme of medieval-themed events and activities is taking the castle out into the community, enabling people to experience the medieval world in a completely new way. Norwich Castle is one of Europe's most important early medieval buildings. When the Castle Keep reopens in 2023, it will take its rightful place as one of the UK's premier heritage attractions. Norwich Castle, Royal Palace, Reborn. A story 900 years in the making.